હું તમને ડિસ્ટર્બ કરીશ. જો ઇંગ્લિશમાં બોલીશ ને ટ્રાન્સલેશન સાઈડમાં ડિસ્ટર્બ કરીશ. ઇંગ્લિશમાં બોલીશ ટ્રાન્સલેશન કરીશ તો ડિસ્ટર્બ તો નહીં કરું તમને. Today is a Purnima.
और इसके बाद 1 महीने बाद फाल्गुनी पूर्णिमा.
And then after 1 month, in this Purnima Tithi, in this Tithi, in this Purnima Tithi, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu took sannyas today. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu took sannyas today. Also our Guru Parampara Acharya is very important. Acharya is a appearance day. Is it appearance or disappearance day? Appearance day. It's appearance day of Narottam Das Thakur. In Radha and Krishna Leela, Narottam Das Thakur is Anubilas Manjari. How many, all the Goswamis that who came, all the Goswamis, they have come from, they all are, mostly all the Goswamis are Nitya Leela Manjari. They are in Manjari Swarup. Nitya Leela Manjari Swarup. Even in Gaura Dipika Das, it's explained very nicely that is actually very confidential. Still, you have to speak about this katha. Our Gurudev Narayan Goswami Maharaj was saying, if we don't give these confidential kathas, then people will forget. Actually, it's the truth, so we have to tell truth in this world. Even though people will criticize, but still you have to tell them the truth. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came in this Kali Yuga, and actually he came to give us the topmost thing to these people of this world. For even Lord Brahma, it is very, very rare to get that. In Srimad Bhagavatam, it says, Hey Rajan, in this it's very, very difficult to accept their faults in this material world. But what is but in this Kali Yuga, there is one thing that is very good that human beings is that they can chant Harinam and attain Bhagwan. In this Kali Yuga, the good quality of this Kali Yuga is Nam Sankirtan.
केशव संकीर्तन श्रीमद् भागवत
In Srimad Bhagavatam, it said in Satyug they used to do meditation, they used to do dhyan, and they used to do meditate into Lord Vishnu. In Dwapar Yuga, in Tetra Yuga, people used to yagna. They used to do yagna, and it's very difficult to do yagna in Kali Yuga. In Dwapar Yuga, they used to do archan, means Bhagavad deity murti puja, deity worship. But in Kali Yuga, so to worship deity is very difficult in this Kali Yuga. So in Kali Yuga, we can chant Nam Sankirtan, and there is no rules and regulation that one has to follow to do Nam Sankirtan. Whether you are clean or unclean, in which place, wherever you are, you can chant Nam Sankirtan. So what is the Kali Yuga Maha Mantra is?
Hare 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 Ram Ram
Ram Hare Hare. So the Swayam Bhagwan is so kripalu, is so merciful. Bas, he said in this Kali Yuga that he's just given us Maha Mantra, and who gave this Maha Mantra is Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. This is also very, very rare, very dulab, means rare even for Lord Brahma to get this. Chidanandan Anarpita Charim Chirat Karunaya Vakrana Kalahu Samarpaitu Manato Javala Rasam Swabhakti Saryam Sriyam Sachidanandan. This Sachidananda Gaura Hari, he is already in everyone's heart, in all of us. It's not only, I'm not speaking for myself, I'm speaking to all of us. And what is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu doing? The bhav, the mood that Radharani has. Sahabhakti Shriyam. So that prem and ras, he's relishing it. He's relishing this Radharani's bhav. And then he is relishing it, and then he is distributing it to all the jivas of this world. Udar Vasti Khilate. So somebody who is very generous, what will he do? He won't eat only himself, he will give it to everyone. He will feed everyone. So just like that, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is relishing this bhav. Not only that he is tasting this mood, but he wants to distribute. He is distributing to all the jivas of this world. Like today, like we just heard that from that Narottam Das Prabhu, today is appearance day of Narottam Das Thakur. In Mahaprabhu's Prema Dharma. All the devotees used to love Mahaprabhu so much. They had so much love and affection for him. And when he left Bengal, when he was going to leave Bengal, everybody was crying and said, "Oh, please, don't leave." So Mahaprabhu said, I have come, what I have come in this world to do, I have to do. So this Mahamantra is not only for the Bengal, not for the people of Bengal, it's for the whole world. So the the devotees are telling Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, how can we live without you? So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said that when I leave this world, that Mahapurush, very Mahapurush will come, and this Mahapurush will
प्रेम रस के द्वारा
then he will cover this Bengal. He will drown the people of Bengal in this Krishna prem.
तो उस समय
So how will at that time bhaktas could not understand
ये प्रेम जो है
the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is the prem,
पद्मावती जो नदी यानी गंगा
the prem that Krishna prem that I have.
की नदी जो है
There is a Padmavati
पद्मा नदी
river.
शायद आप लोग सुने होंगे
You probably have heard of this.
रख करके जा रहे हैं
I am going at the bank of,
बंगाल में ऐसे एक महान पुरुष मेरे मन साक्षात प्रेम
when I live at the bank of this Padma river, there is a very Mahapurush, a very great personality will take birth
देखो
here near Padmavati river.
स्पर्श करने के साथ ही साथ और नदी की जल प्रेम से
Uchal gayi. So when this Mahapurush touched the Padmavati river, then this river was just so spontaneously overflowing. It was so the waves in this river were so high. So that is the swarup of Krishna's prem. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said that Padmavati's river is.
और कुछ समय के बाद उसके बाद हमारे नरोत्तम दास ठाकुर
And then Narottam Das Thakur took birth in a king's family. From a very young age, he was very not attached to this material world. Even though he was a prince, even he was born in the king's family, he was not interested in anything. He was just totally absorbed in Bhagwan, and he was Vairag. He was not attached to anything. So what he did was he, whatever he had, all the wealth, even the kingdom, he left everything and came to Vrindavan. And then he came to Vrindavan. That this Vrindavan, when he came to Vrindavan, he said, I have to look for my guru. So even if you become Gyan, you can have so much knowledge from the Shastras like Lord Shiva or Lord Brahma. But if you don't have take a shelter of a Sat Guru, then you cannot do bhakti. So Narottam Das Thakur came to Vrindavan, and so he started to search for the Guru. So then he had darshan of Lokanath Goswami, and he saw the detachment that Lokanath Goswami had. And so Narottam Das Thakur said, oh, if I have to take Diksha, then I will take Lokanath Goswami Maharaj, Lokanath Goswami as my Guru. So when you get married, how many times do you do? You can only marry once. So like that, pure chance. So he said you should be very careful how you choose your Guru. So what did Narottam Das Thakur to do? So in his mind, he selected Lokanath Goswami Maharaj as his Guru, and he said, I will take Diksha from him. So Lokanath Goswami was very deeply absorbed in bhajan, Bhajananand. So they were so deeply absorbed in bhajan. One is called Bhajananandi and one is Ghostanandi. What do the Bhajananandis? They are absorbed. They are absorbed in their own bhajan. They are not. They don't have any relations with anyone around. And they read the Shastra or write the Shastra and totally are absorbed in their own bhajan. Sanatana Bhatta Raghunatha Gopal Das. So all these our Goswamis were Bhajanananda. So if somebody comes there, then if somebody comes, then he will recite katha, he will speak katha. But if nobody comes, then it doesn't matter. So it's like they were totally absorbed in Harinam and writing the scriptures, writing the books. They were totally absorbed in their own bhajan. And they were totally absorbed in the Astakali Leela. Our Raghunath Das Goswami. So, who was this Narottam Das Thakur? Narottam Das Thakur was Manjulali. He himself said, Lokanath Goswami is Manjulali. So, Manjulali, who is very, very dear to Radharani, and is very dear Manjari to Radharani. So, Narottam Das Thakur Diksha, that I will take Diksha from Lokanath Goswami Bhajanananda. So that time Lokanath Goswami. So Ghostananda is a Swami who recites, who gives katha to many people. So like our Prabhupada did Ghostanandi Prachar, like preaching to everyone. Bhajanananda. So Lokanath Goswami was a Bhajanananda who was absorbed in Astakala Leela. He was drowned in the Leela. Radha Vinodini Lal. So who is the Thakurji of the Lokanath Goswami was Radha Vinodini. You listen to this very careful, and then I will tell you the second katha. So first you listen. So you listen. So Lokanath Goswami had a very beautiful deities, and the name is Radha Vinodini Lal. Now this Radha Vinodini is in Jaipur. So during Kartik, we always go to have his darshan in Jaipur. So normally I take 1 or 2 buses. It's a very beautiful place. Even now, Radha Vinodini. So the deity's name is Radha Vinodini. So there is a place in Vrindavan called Khadirvan. In Khadirvan, this Lokanath Goswami used to do his bhajan. And how he was so absorbed in taking the Thakurji used to talk to him. Does your Thakurji talk to you? This Lokanath Goswami, how he used to serve his deities, Radha Vinodini Lal. During the summer, it was very hot. So he gave then after 9 o'clock, when you offer the bhog to Thakurji and then you put them to rest, then he put the Thakurji to take rest. So he's chanting his mantra, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram. So like that, it was like he was chanting, and he was chanting until midnight. And then he thought, now I'm tired, so I'll just take some rest. And Thakurji started to touch his ear. This place that's near the ear, it's very sensitive. So Thakurji started to touch. He got up and said, and Lokanath Goswami was resting, and Thakurji came. Thakurji started to touch him under his ear and said, "Hey, Lokanath Goswami." So Lokanath Goswami said, "Hey, Thakurji, what do you want?" So he said, "Oh, Lokanath, it's very hot today. I'm feeling very hot." There, at that time there was no AC or even fan. So please fan me. I'm feeling very hot. So Thakurji said that at 12 midnight, Lokanath Goswami, so he found a leaf, a big leaf, and he started to fan Thakurji. And then he did. And then after 20 minutes, after 10-15 minutes, सो गया. ठाकुर जी fell asleep. And then Lokanath Goswami thought, okay, now Thakurji is gone to sleep. Then it's like 12:30. So then he thought, now I better take some rest myself. So Chukya, and then just as he started to fall asleep, he thought, oh, and then again the the Thakurji came and touched under his ear and said, so he said, oh Lokanath, oh Lokanath, my legs, my legs are paining me so much. Massage. So please massage my legs, and they are so painful. So please massage my legs. So Lokanath just said, so dhire, very gently he massaged the Thakurji's legs. And then Thakurji, he realized, okay, Thakurji fell asleep. Then like that, 1:30, and then 1:30 thought, okay, now let me take some rest, and I fall asleep. So I have to wake up at 3. So Lokanath Goswami just kind of fell asleep, and then again after 15 minutes, Thakurji touched his ear, under his ear, and said, hey Lokanath. So he said, Swami, what is it? Thakurji said, what's happened now? So Thakurji said, oh, I'm very hungry. Please feed me something. So he said, okay, what will you eat? So Thakurji said, make some puri and tomato patti and sabji for me. So at 2:30, Lokanath Goswami got up and puri banai, and he made some very hot puri and aloo sabji and chakachat, like very spicy spicy tomato, and he made tomato chutney and aloo sabji, and he offered it to Thakurji. And Thakurji ate everything. He washed his hands. Thakurji said, I will tell you one thing. So tomorrow, like normally every day you wake me up at 4 o'clock, but today do one thing. To wake me up at 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock. 10 baje. Because now, Bihari Lal ki jai. So Lokanath Goswami, that's how he used to serve his deities. Even now, today, even in many temples don't have a Mangal Aarti before 9. This is what still, because that's the desire of Thakurji. I'm saying that because Lokanath Goswami is not any ordinary person. He is a Mahapurushi, he is a Manjulali. Narottam Das Thakur knows, he's recognized, he realized his Gurudev's Swarup. So that is the glorification of Narottam Das Thakur's Guru. So then a tree will say, you will realize what tree. So you will realize it yourself by the flowers that a tree will produce and the fruit they produce, right? So then you will know that this is a mango tree or an orange tree or a apple tree. So he said, so Guruji Prachar, so the Guru will recognize the Shishya, and the Shishya will be able to recognize Guru. So like that, Narottam Das Thakur's, so Lokanath Goswami. So he selected Lokanath Goswami as his Guru. There were many others there, but Narottam Thakur, in his heart, he felt that he selected Lokanath Goswami. Then the Lokanath Goswami said, but I will not give Diksha. I don't give Diksha. So it's Kali Yuga. So in this Kali Yuga, it's very, very difficult to make Shishya, disciples. So the disciple will say, oh Guru, you follow my instructions. So Guru will give instructions to, the Shishya will give instructions to Guru, but that's not right how it should be. actually the guru should give instructions to a shishya. So so they say, oh, this is Kali Yuga. The disciples will say, hey, Gurudev, whatever wealth you have, that is my wealth. But whatever I have is mine. So it's Shastra's pranam that a Shishya actually by Shastra, the disciple surrenders everything he has to the lotus feet of Guru, but in this Kali Yuga is ulta, it's the opposite. In the Narottam Das Thakur, so he selected Lokanath Goswami as Guru. So this is the Nistha. You should have Nistha in the Guru. If you listen to the kathas of such acharyas, such great personalities, then your mind will become more Nistha. You will get Nistha on your own Gurudev. Even if we get hurt just little bit, even if you have little pain, then we get we get so disturbed by it. We shouldn't worry. It's the desire of Krishna, and our mind is so restless. So he said, oh, listen, our mind is so disturbed. We should listen to Narottam Das Thakur's Guru's history. And Narottam Das Thakur is speaking that I will take Diksha only from you. I don't want to go anywhere else. How many times? 3 times Lokanath Goswami asked Narottam Das Thakur. So he said, hey, Lokanath Goswami, you are such a great prince. You are the prince of a king. You are a prince. How can I give you Harikat? Unqualified person cannot Vaishnava. They will not. The people of this world will not be able to recognize the humility of a Vaishnava. So the Lokanath Goswami saying, you are a prince, you are the prince. You come from a king's family. How can I give you Diksha? So 3 times he asked. Narottam Das Thakur prayed 3 times, and please, he said to Lokanath Goswami, please take me as your disciple. And the Lokanath Goswami, so Narottam Das Thakur was so firmly fixed that he will take Diksha. If he takes Diksha, he will take Diksha only from Lokanath Goswami. In the Brahma Murt, in the early morning, Lokanath Goswami used to go. Okay. I've drank, don't worry about water, I've drank enough water in my life. So every morning, in the early morning, Brahma Murti, he used to go in the forest. He used to go in the forest to pass stool. Then Narottam Das Thakur, see what he said, wherever he used to pass the toilet, Lokanath Goswami, Narottam Das Thakur used to clean that place. And then Lokanath Goswami started to think, who is cleaning this place every day? Then Lokanath Goswami, what he did after passing the stool, he hid behind in one place to see who was doing this. And then he saw there was this young boy who was cleaning that place, and he got hold of his hand, and so he said, hey, who are you? So Narottam Das Thakur said, hey, I am your Das, I am your Sevak.
आपकी जो है पायखाना नहीं सेवा।
I am cleaning this place where you will pass the stool.
गोस्वामी की हृदय क्या हो गया?
So what happened to Lokanath Goswami's heart? His heart melted.
नरोत्तम दास ठाकुर अपने शिष्य के रूप में उसके स्वीकार
And
किया।
then he accepted Narottam Das Thakur as his disciple and gave him Diksha and a Nam Mantra.
दीक्षा देकर के
After
अपने
Diksha,
पूरे आश्रम में वृंदावन में
and then he started to stay with Lokanath Goswami in his small mud. And he said, okay, you stay here and do Harinam.
नरोत्तम दास ठाकुर लोकनाथ दास गोस्वामी के पास रह करके
So Narottam Das Thakur
हरिनाम करने लगे।
took Diksha and he was doing Harinam. So this is one day. So there's many, but there's one day.
नरोत्तम दास के जीवन से अपूर्व है।
So there's just so many stories. His life, Narottam Das Thakur Narottam Das Thakur's life is very unique and parallel. So one day, it was May in June, it's very hot. Gurudev says, it's
चमड़ा जो सभी के चमड़ा भी क्या बोलते हैं, खल भी वो हो जाता है, माने
blister.
ब्लिस्टर।
You know, the deer's skin is so hot that even the skin, the sun rays are so strong that the skin of the deer, like a deer, also get blisters.
गर्म हवा चल
It's like the wind is like very hot wind.
मृत्यु के
You know, in the summer, it's very summer hot.
ऐसी बीमार नहीं पड़ गया।
So even myself, in summer, when I was in Vrindavan also, summer is very hot. I used to fall sick.
लोकनाथ दास गोस्वामी
So during this summer, Lokanath Goswami is chanting Hare Krishna, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.
इतने समय
At that time,
के समय बैठ के जप कर रही थी।
so Narottam Das Thakur was chanting at that.
ब्रजवासी आ गए।
So just then, at the time when Narottam Das Thakur was chanting, one Brajvasi came and said, "Oh Baba, hey Baba, I'm thirsty. Can you please give me a glass of water?" So Narottam Das Thakur put his chanting beads down and he went to get a glass of water and he gave water to this Brajvasi.
लोकनाथ दास स्वामी क्या बोले, नरोत्तम इधर आओ।
So then Lokanath Das Swami said to Narottam, "Hey, come here."
वृंदावन में रह करके भजन करिए, तुम जो करने जाओ।
Ciao. So he said, "No, you are not adhikar to do
जाओ वहाँ पर
bhajan in your Vrindavan. Now you leave this mud, go out and go and serve these sansar people."
हम तो लोग सेवा करते हैं।
So Lokanath Goswami, see what is he thinking? Versus
कहने लगे
Lokanath Goswami saying, "Oh, you go home,
पिलाओ।
pilau." Like feed them.
लोक सेवा भजन सेवा एक नहीं होता।
Lok seva and bhajan seva is not same.
आज नहीं, हम लोग तलवार रखते हैं ना,
Talwar. When we put talwar, the sword cannot go in one box. Two swords cannot go in one box, right? Only one sword can go in the sword box. So he was that so strong. He said, "You either stay here and do bhajan or you leave." So with this, with our mental, with our material mind, we cannot understand.
कहेंगे भाई इसमें दोष क्या है?
So you will also say, what is that fault? Like if somebody comes,
भी कर रहे हैं,
if we are doing bhajan, if we can do bhajan and then also we can serve others. So what is the fault there? But
ये उत्तम भागवत की दृष्टि।
this is the drishti of Uttam. This is the thinking of a great personality, and what is the thinking of the ordinary person. So whoever is doing the bhajan, they have the realization that what is this Naam? That Naam itself is Bhagwan himself.
जो नित्य मुक्त अभिज्ञत्वा नाम 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 चिंतामणि स्वरूप।
I'm not going to say it.
नाम चिंतामणि कृष्ण चैतन्य
So-
पवित्र।
So Naam Chintamani is a very. So Naam is a Chintamani. So Naam itself is the Swarup of Bhagwan.
कोई साधारण नहीं,
Swarup, Naam is not ordinary. Naam is a.
जिसके बहुत जन की स्वीकृति है ना, ये उसको अनुभव करेंगे।
So whoever has got a lot of Sukriti, then they will be able to realize this Bhagwan's name. Not everybody can have ruchi, they have taste in this Hari Nam, or they don't also want to come and listen to Hari Gatha. Then if you have many, if your Sukriti is matured in your previous life,
हम गिनते नहीं।
अच्छा,
इसलिए हॉल भरा हुआ है।
बस I am not here to count how many people came. Oh, some people will say, oh, so you are not seeing that all the devatas are here, all the Brahma, Shivji, they are also, wherever there is a glorification of Bhagwan, is then all the bhaktas, all the demigods come here also to listen, bhakta. So wherever there is Ram, Nam, Hanuman automatically gets there. He's there.
देखो भगवान की कथा जहाँ पर होती है ना,
Wherever there is Bhagwan's katha going on,
भगवान और भगवान के भक्त
then Bhagwan and his bhaktas, his devotees come there.
चेयर सब खाली हो।
So you think, okay, not many people have come.
चेयर में तो देखो खाली चेयर नहीं है, ये पर सब
See, if you look at these chairs, they look empty.
दृष्टि नहीं है।
But we don't have this. With this materialized, we cannot see. But this is Uttam visions. There's a difference between the vision of this material. We are material. Are seeing all these chairs are empty. Not many people are here. But the Uttam Bhakta will see that there's so many. It's all occupied. It's all occupied by like other demigods and goddesses. So they come here to listen to Harikatha.
हमने इतना प्रयास किया,
So again, somebody will think that, oh, we did put so much effort to do this program and not many people came. But they have come. Suksma. Everybody is sitting here in their Suksma. They are listening to the Katha. Gurudev is listening to the Katha.
परम गुरुदेव सुन
Even our Param Gurudev, Prabhupada is listening. All our Guru Parampara are here.
तुम देख नहीं पा रहे
But you cannot see them.
हैं? ऐसे एक व्यक्ति बोले महाराज मैं जब घर में बैठता हूँ ना, कोई ऑफिस में चलता रहता है,
So somebody said,
कोई भूत पिशाच है।
so somebody says, oh, Maharaj, when I'm home at home, oh, I'm so scared. I think there's a ghost who is come.
देवताओं भी विचरण कर रहे हैं।
So it could be like, in your own house, you could have devatas, they are there. So why you are doing chanting, you're chanting Bhagwan's name, then ghost will not come. How can you think ghost is there?
देखो ना, हनुमान को क्या बोले, महावीर के नाम लगे, हाँ, महावीर जब
नाम सुनावे।
भूत पिशाच ही
No, so what he's saying that where there is a Ram Nam going on, then the booth, the ghost will not come.
भूत पिशाच।
And then people will think you are chanting Harinam, and then you think, oh, you think the ghosts are coming. No, it's not ghosts, it's devatas. They have come to your house. And what are you thinking? You are thinking that ghosts are there. No, whoever's taken, who's wearing tulsi beads and who's got tilak on their forehead and who's chanting Maha Mantra, then ghost will never come.
वो तुम्हारे पास आए हैं, ये मुझे उद्धार कर दो।
Then if you think a really ghost has come, then you have to understand that ghost has come because they want to be delivered from there and they've come to you to get some help. Vaman Goswami Maharaj, my Gurudev Vaman Maharaj, he used to deliver so many ghosts.
जी, आप तो भगवान भजन करते हो।
So they are doing prayer that, oh, hey, you are doing Bhagwan, you are doing
देखो, ठाकुर जी के
Bhagwan's bhajan, so please deliver me. So
देखो प्रसन्न हो जाए।
So if you offer them the prasad to them, then they will be happy. So
अरे नहीं, भूत पिशाच तुम्हारे पास कैसे आ जाएगा?
so people know, if you are doing chanting, no way, ghost will not come to your.
भूत पिशाच भग जाते हैं।
So but
अजामिल अपने बेटे
even Ajmal's Ajmal named his son Narayan, and even Narayan, he was delivered.
लोगों की बुद्धि कम हो जाती है।
So sometimes, so these people, these people have this such a, they think that ghosts come in their house.
तुम्हारे पास प्रार्थना कर रहे हैं।
This ghost, if the ghost comes, then they are praying, then say, hey, you've taken Diksha mantra, you are doing Bhagavad, you are chanting Bhagwan's name, so you can deliver me from my ghostly body.
चलो, हम जो कथा सुना रहे थे,
So let's go back to the katha that I was listening to. Narottam Das.
नाम चिंतामणि कृष्ण
So
मुक्त मुक्त अविप्रत्वात् नाम नाम है।
So,
मुक्त पुरुष होते हैं ना,
so Mukta Purush, so they are so money, so they know the essence, the
नाम चिंतामणि, नाम
the name is the Chintamani. Then if you do the name Harinam, and even if you stand,
इसी का नाम चिंता में कृष्ण चैतन्य सभी को पूर्ण शुद्ध मुक्त मुक्त और अभिन्न भाव नाम कोई भेद नहीं.
there is no difference between the name and Bhagwan himself. If you are chanting Maha Mantra, then the Bhagwan Nam, if you are chanting Bhagwan's name, the Bhagwan is there. Narottam Das Thakur is chanting Harinam, and he said, Bhagwan is there. Disrespect. Yes. Then. So it's when Narottam Das Thakur was chanting, because the Bhagwan, when he's chanting Maha Mantra, Bhagwan himself is there. And so in this person who came, Vrajavasi came for water, then he dishonored Bhagwan. So Narottam Das is saying in a very very humble mind, he's saying that after so many lifetimes, now I have attained my Guru, I've got the shelter of my Guru there, and he felt so sorry that now I have to leave him. So then Narottam Thakur went to Jiva Goswami, Lokanath. He prayed to Lokanath Goswami and said, give me a Siksha Guru. If you want to take Siksha Guru, then you should get permission from your Diksha Guru. If the Gurudev will be your Diksha Guru. So, you should take Siksha Guru from the permission of your Diksha Guru. But people really don't understand. They say if you have a Diksha Guru, then you don't need a Siksha Guru. Adesh. But if you want to, then you have to take permission from your Diksha Guru. So what did Narottam Das Thakur do? He said to Lokanath Goswami. So he said, oh Gurudev, we are so absorbed in Makh. So he said, so Lokanath Goswami, Narottam Das Thakur told Lokanath Goswami, Gurudev, we are so absorbed in your bhajan, who should I take Siksha? And then he said, oh, go to Jiva Goswami and take Siksha. So Narottam, he said, go. So go, take Siksha from Jiva Goswami. Gopala Bhatta Das Raghunath. So he went to Jiva Goswami and took Siksha. And then Narottam Das Thakur took Siksha. You don't have to leave your Guru there. If you get a pure Guru, then you have to completely surrender at the shelter of the Guru. So if you have a Sat Guru, you have taken Diksha Mantra, you should never ever leave your Guru. You should have Nistha in a Guru. Like Didi said, Mitra Vrinda said. So you should have Guru Nistha. Bhajan, if bhajan is happening or not, but you should have Nistha. Then you should have Nistha in your Gurudev. Then if you have so much Nistha in Gurudev, then the Bhagwan will be you. Bhagwan, you can control the Bhagwan, and the Bhagwan. So Bhagwan will also say. So if you have Nistha in your Guru, you should never leave your Guru. Tightly, you should tightly hold of lotus feet of Gurudev very tightly. Padma Kevala Bhagati Sadma Vandamoi Sabhadana Mate Vandamoi Sabhadana Mate Har Sabhadane Vandamai Gurudev Charan Kamal Sabhadane Vandamai Aparadha Bhaina Jeno Sabhadane Vandamai. So when you get Sadguru Dev, what happens? You should very tightly get hold of his Guru's feet.
ये नहीं है
It's not like then you go get live in the Western countries, or like they marry one and then after 6 months they divorce and then they get married again.
समझ में आ गया? शादी क्या कर लेते हैं?
Barbadi. You get married and then there is barbadi.
ऐसे नहीं
So it's not like that.
गुरु कोई बॉयफ्रेंड गर्लफ्रेंड नहीं है
Guru is not like boyfriend or girlfriend. You can just leave him. Girlfriend, you leave him and then find another one.
तुम मेरा बॉयफ्रेंड हो छोड़ दिया
Told them, okay, like I have boyfriend and then I have one and then I leave him. Guru. Andhakar. Guru. Gu means darkness. Ru means darkness. So the darkness that is in your heart, he Uchalwal, he lightens your heart.
गुरु के चरण में प्रगाढ़ और निष्ठा हो
So you should have very firm nistha in Guru. Sometimes even Bhagwan does a test. Bhagwan test, and sometimes he gives us a dukh, makes us suffer. And then what happens? But you should not leave your Gurudev. You should be very firm. You should have Vishwas in your Gurudev. Kamal. So,
नित्यानंद प्रभु अखंड गुरु तत्व है
Nityanand Prabhu is Akhanda Guru Tattva. You should not. So if Gurudev is pure Guru, you should hold his feet. You should not. I've been 40. I've had 40 years. I've been with my Guru. Not one moment I ever worry about Guru. I worry. I just get up in the morning, chant Harinam, or read books, or write books,
भगवान की कथा
and then do Bhagwan Katha.
देखो मैं कहता हूं ब्राजील में जाता हूं
When I go to Brazil,
24 घंटा कैसे बीत जाते हैं
24 hours, I don't know how my 24 hours gone. I only sleep 2 or 3 hours. Only 2 or 3 hours sleep. I don't sleep more than 2 or 3 hours. You can ask my devotees in Bhakti. The Hari Katha. All I do is give Hari Katha. Sleep maybe 1 o'clock. And I wake up at 3 o'clock. I sleep at 12 o'clock and 3 o'clock to 3 o'clock or 6 I'm chanting Harinam. And then after Mangal Aarti, walk. Then I do morning and walking. If you see in the tube,
मैं झूठ नहीं बोलता
I'm not lying.
करके देख लेना
Ha. Yes.
यहां पर ये लोग फोटो उठाते हैं
Ha.
हैं जब समुद्र
If you can look how I go, there's a beach there. I take walk and I take a Harinam.
जो मॉर्निंग वॉक जो है
That morning walk,
हमारे साथ चलो हमारे साथ
nobody can talk. So the disciples, they come with me for the morning walk. I also chant and they chant as well. And then till 7:30 we are doing Harinam. And then
एक जगह में बैठ जाता हूं
at 7:30 I sit down and if you have any questions and answers or any doubts you have, then I answer all their questions. Then the devotees ask me questions. You can see this on the YouTube. But from 7:30 to 7:30 there's questions and answers. And then I have some bhojan, like I have some breakfast.
बहुत समय कथा बोलने पर सिर में दर्द हो जाता
So I've been speaking so much do katha, then I have just
है 9 बजे से फिर
take rest.
भक्त के घर में
And then at 9 o'clock I go to devotee's house. And then again lunchtime till 1 o'clock, bas my kirtan katha is going on. And then
फिर दोपहर के जो
in the afternoon
3 से लेकर के 4 बजे
3 till 4 o'clock I'm doing my Harinam. And then 5 o'clock again the katha starts for the afternoon program till 10 o'clock. So it's this kirtan and katha, and then 10 to 12, yes. And then that's it. Puchna, you can ask the disciples. That is my schedule.
भगवत कथा नाम में आप रहो तो आपने
Because
ये संसार की चिंतक कहाँ गए?
When you are so absorbed in this Bhagavad, in the name, then you don't have any worries. You don't have worries about this sincere life. You don't have time to gossip about what is that person doing, what is that next person doing, whose wife is doing what. Yes, do satsang, do bhajan, do Bhagwan. Then you don't have time to worry about anything. Yeah, make this schedule, become a habit. Make this habit in your life.
जीव गोस्वामी पास से क्या करने लगे?
So Jiva Goswami, so Narottam Das Thakur took Siksha from Jiva Goswami. So why? Because Lokanath Goswami, they gave him permission to take Siksha Guru. So if you take Siksha Guru, then even though he may be highly, you should, if that Siksha Guru doesn't have the same mood as your Diksha Guru, then you should not. So you should have the same. If your Gurudev is Madhurya Ras, Radha Ras Krishi, then you should have that Siksha Guru of that same mood.
You cannot decide yourself.
Actually, we cannot decide ourselves. So why didn't Lokanath Goswami gave him permission and he said go? He guided Narottam Das to Jiva Goswami Vilas Manjari, Anu Vilas Manjari. Vilas Manjari is Jiva Goswami. Lokanath Goswami said Jiva Goswami. So take Siksha from Jiva Goswami. Are we going? कौन से तुम्हारा तेज और प्रसाद
जितने भी शिष्य ये तीन शिष्य थे नरोत्तम श्यामानंद और श्रीनिवास ये तीनों जो है अलग अलग गुरु के शिष्य हैं।
So
जो है जीव गोस्वामी पाद
then हम ना जा पास
शिक्षा
She's going.
इसलिए दीक्षा गुरु और शिक्षा गुरु में कभी
प्रसाद.
भेद होना नहीं चाहिए। क्या बोला?
Yeah. So you should not see any difference between Diksha Guru and Siksha Guru. Be happy though. Didi, be. So, Diksha Guru, there should be no difference. There should be no difference between Diksha Guru and Siksha Guru. So Narottam Das Thakur took Siksha from Jiva Goswami and he learned all the Shastras from Jiva Goswami. Then Samananda and Jiva Goswami and Narottam Das Thakur. Then there were three. Then Jiva Goswami said, now we go and do prachar. And do prachar. Please. Even that lady, she could have stayed. I wanted her to take Harinam. Hold on, dear. Harinam. ઘડીમાં બેઠું લઈ આવું તે પાછી 2 મિનિટ. So Srinivas and Narottam Das Thakur, bull cart. So they had all these books in this bull cart and they came in the village. They were carrying all these books in the bull cart. So then in the village they took a rest. Then what happened? The thief stole all the books. So Bhagavad Katha, and so this thief thought that probably there's some gold and some diamonds or in this Kolkata. So when they stole it and when they got home, they looked at it and they said, "Oh, there's nothing. Only books are here." So Narottam Das Thakur, he started to bhajan and said, and then he started to recite Bhagavad Katha. Then Tamritam Tapta Jivanam Kavitam Tapasatvam Sarvamangalam Shrimadatam Bhuvinamite Bhuvidasam. So this is the Gopi Gita Katha. So what did the decode, when they listened to this Gopi Gita Katha, what did these thieves do? They returned that books. So this is very, very beautiful Katha. Narottam Das Thakur's Katha is very beautiful. He's written very beautiful book. He's written Prema Bhakti Chandrika. He's all our Goswamis books, Ujjwal Nilmani. They are. So if you read these books, then you will not want to read any other books than that. So this is Narottam Das Thakur. This is how he used to prachar. There are many kathas, but today is Abirbhav of Narottam Das Thakur, and then we should meditate on the Narottam Das Thakur's history. And there is kirtan. He's got many kirtans as well. So we are offering our Puspanjali at the lotus feet of Narottam Das Thakur, that he is merciful in everyone, and that this we have the realization in our heart. Shri Radhe. And now it's late. Yeah, Prashad. आरती कर दे. हाँ.